Welcome back to one more useful and interesting video. In this video, I am going to talk about Deloitte Off-Campus Drive 2021. Deloitte company is going to recruit candidates for graduates through off-campus. The candidates who are completed in BE or BTech, ME or MTech branches eligible to apply. In this video, you will know about campus address, date of interview, eligibility detail, interview syllabus, selection process, apply link in the description, and about application procedure detail. So watch this video till the end. Now let's begin our video. Deloitte is the brand under which tens of thousands of dedicated professionals in independent firms throughout the world collaborate to provide audit, consulting, financial advisory, risk management and tax services to selected clients. These firms are members of DTTL, a UK private company. In India, they offer a range of audit and enterprise risk, tax consulting and financially advisory services across 13 cities. Their existence for over a century in the Indian professionals arena supplements the technical proficiency of the client services teams to create powerful business solutions tailored to the client's need. Company website www.deloitte.com. Job position business technology analyst. Job location Hyderabad. Qualification BE or BTech from CSC, IT or ECE. Experience 0 to 1 year. Salary as per IT standard. Now talking about the eligibility criteria for Deloitte Job 2021. Educational qualification BE BTech from CSC, IT or ECE, 60% or 6.5 GPA and above throughout without any running backlogs. 2019 or 2020 graduates. Job description for Deloitte 2021. As a business technology analyst at Deloitte Consulting, you will be responsible for crafting, developing and deploying the software solutions at an enterprise level. You will be working with functional team in the project located at offshore as well as onshore. Work you will do to Deloitte, understand business requirements and need, support technical or functional or process document creation and maintain an effective library, build, test and deliver solution, support application design, responsible for technology specification creation, responsible for code development and unit testing, responsible for test data creation and test scripts creation and execution, support infrastructure building activities. Skills required for Deloitte job: excellent analytical skills and communication skill, written, verbal and presentation, ability to chart one's own career and build network within the organization, ability to work both independently and as part of a team with professionals at all levels, ability to prioritize tasks, work on multiple assignments and raise concern or questions where appropriate, interact with the client on regular basis through face-to-face interaction or video conference or teleconference, mails to understand the client process and business problem, suggest practical solutions and partner with the client to implement the solution, manage project or project modules independently, perform account coordination with the client to build or improve relationships, seek feedback to identify areas of improvement, seek information, ideas or establish relationship with client to assess any future opportunities for additional business, identify the best industry practices and implement in the engagements, interact with client functional SMEs, willingness to work in shifts. Skills: be deadline oriented and quality focused, strong verbal and written communication, demonstrate professionalism, good presentation skill, good general understanding of information technology, good working knowledge of Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint, good analytical skill. Documents to be carried for Deloitte job: you should carry a copy of the latest resume, Aadhaar card, original and photocopy with 3 passport size photographs are must. You need to carry any government certified ID proof like the PAN or voter ID or passport. Students should have all the essential educational certificates along with the Xerox copies. How to apply for Deloitte job 2021? Eligible candidate apply this drive in online by following the link and the venue details will be shared to shortlisted candidate through the email. How to register steps? Go to the link given in description box, enter your email ID and submit the form. If already registered, no need to register again. Check your inbox for email with subject active your email subscription. Open the email and click on confirmation link to activate your subscription. description and then go to apply link. Some of the frequently asked questions related to Deloitte Off-Campus Drive. How to apply for Deloitte Off-Campus 2021 Drive. To apply for the Deloitte Off-Campus Drive, candidate have to visit the official site at deloitte.com. What is a Deloitte Off-Campus selection process? Online written test, group discussion, technical interview and HR interview. Share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefit by that video. I hope to see you in another video. Thanks for watching this video.